In the past couple of months, I've spent over 100 hours testing every single AI UGC generator on the market, and I finally found one that constantly outperforms all of its competition. Most people don't realize how much they miss out by not using the best AI UGC generator. Bad tools hold you back. You get stuck with generic AI actors, robotic voices that don't sound real, and limited features that make every ad feel the same. You miss out on strong angles you could be testing, and you keep paying to regenerate the same mid-creatives over and over. But with a top-tier generator, you get dozens of AI actors to choose from, the ability to create your own influencers, and access to some of the strongest AI models for both video and images available right now. So your ads look unique, on brand, and ready to test fast. That's why in today's video, I'm going to show you the best performing AI UGC generator and walk you through everything step by step in the simplest way possible so you can start making AI UGC ads today. If you want to follow along with this walkthrough, the link for the UGC generator is down below. And now it's finally time to show you exactly which tool it is. That tool is ugcvideo.ai. From everything I've tested, this is the best AI UGC generator, and it keeps winning every comparison. Making good UGC ads is usually hard work. You have to find creators, talk about prices, wait for changes, and spend a lot of money before your campaign even starts. But what if you could make real-looking UGC videos, AI influencers, product ads, and spokesperson videos in just a few minutes? That's what I've been testing with ugcvideo.ai. Today I'll show you how it works. When you log into ugcvideo.ai, you see a full workspace made for advertisers and marketers. This is not just a normal AI video tool. It's made to create ads that work well on TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook, YouTube Shorts, and other short video platforms. The first thing I noticed is that the platform looks very real. The videos are made by AI, but they don't look too smooth, stiff, or fake like many other AI videos do. Let's start with one of the best features: create character. Instead of hiring different creators for each campaign, you can make your own AI character. Whether you sell an online product, an app, software, fitness items, beauty products, or run a local business, you can make a character that fits your audience. I like that this feature is very flexible. It gives you full control over how your brand looks. Now, once you make your character, you can use it again in other campaigns. This keeps your brand looking the same and saves a lot of time. Next, I tried the talking video feature. It's very easy. I typed my script, picked a voice, chose my AI character, and made the video. In just a few minutes, I had a professional spokesperson video ready. What I liked most was the lip movement and face expressions. The character doesn't just say the words. The face, timing, and delivery feel very natural, much better than most AI videos I've seen. This feature is great for businesses that want to explain products, show app demos, sell something, or teach customers.
Ever wonder how I get this crazy volume? Well, I'm spilling my biggest secret today. Meet Dasar Batana Oil. This little bottle is an absolute game changer for my daily routine. I just apply a few drops. Look at this rich texture. It absorbs instantly. No greasy feel at all. It totally repaired my split ends and gave me this massive shine. Seriously guys, don't wait. Grab yours right now before it sells out.
The result feels more human, more believable, and better for ads. If you want better ad results, realism is very important. If your main goal is running paid ads, you will probably spend most of your time using the UGC ad video feature. This tool is made just for creating ads that get more sales. You can make videos that look like real creators made them while you stay in full control of the message. For marketers, agencies, and online stores, this means faster testing, faster changes, and much lower costs. Instead of paying many creators for different versions, you can make and test versions right inside the platform. My favorite feature is clone video with templates. This is where the platform becomes very powerful for growing your ads. If you already have a winning ad, you don't need to start over. You can copy the video, change the script, change the images, change the product, and make many new versions in just a few clicks. This helps advertisers running big campaigns work much faster. The template system also helps teams keep their branding the same across different campaigns. Another big advantage is that the platform can help you make a large amount of content quickly.